Got another build. She's freaking clapped, as you can tell. But that's okay, because we're gonna build this thing. I'm not even sure what it is, but it's gonna be fun. Hopefully I can get it running, and then I'll have 2 little pet bikes. So today we're gonna tear it down to the frame. I'm gonna wire wheel the frame down, get most of the rust off if I can, and then I'm going to paint it black. So keep watching.
A rich man's world. I have turned the soul of this beautiful land, but that beautiful. A rich man's world. I have turned the soul of this beautiful land, but a rich man's world. I have turned the soul of this beautiful land, but that beautiful. A rich man's world, a rich man's world, beautiful land, but a rich man's world. I have turned the soul of this beautiful land, but a rich man's world. I have turned the soul of this beautiful land, but that beautiful. A rich man's world, a rich man's world, beautiful land, but a rich man's world. I have turned the soul of this beautiful land, but a rich man's world. I have turned the soul of this beautiful land, but
Next day, let me show you what we got going on here. So this nut right here literally just spins on the bolt and doesn't come off. So time to use the Dremel tool. Let's go. Got it. Although I do think I'm gonna need another bolt. Anyway, now I gotta take the motor out, go get my drill and the wire wheel, and we're gonna wire wheel it down and get ready for paint. It's not the best thing in the world, but it's a lot smoother and I got a lot of the rust off. Except for in here, I tried to use the flathead screwdriver to get what I could off, because that would catch and end up getting my fingers. Moral of the story is be a man. I gotta get this chain off and do this side. Like differently. So this is after kind of done with it. A little smoother, better. Can't really feel much of the paint lines. And this is not. You can tell it looks like crap. So anyway, we'll keep going. That's actually good enough. Let's go ahead and paint it. Let's go clean up the motor some. It's a little nasty, so I figure we take that, clean that up. I feel like there's been a lot of montages already, so I'll just pick you guys up when I'm done. Well, as you guys can see, it's getting dark. Kind of got the motor cleaned up a little bit. I think it's got a lot of dirt, like old dirt where it's been sitting so long. And I think it's sitting in like right next to like a barn or something. I don't really know. My coworker gave me this bike actually, so shout out to him for making this video possible. And I threw some of my old plastics that I had from my pit bike together temporarily for it. The frame is still drying. I don't even know if y'all will be able to see it unless I turn my flash on. So I'll show you guys real quick. I had to touch it up. I put a few coats on it. There we go. So yeah, the frame's painted up finally. Waiting on it to still dry. It's getting dark. I can't really see stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and wrap this video up. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. And stay tuned for the updates on this thing, because it's going to be sick. I'm going to let you guys know that now. It's going to be sick. So, like, subscribe, comment, do what you got to do. I don't really care. So, peace.